Simple ways on how to get rid of snoring. Snoring can be a troublesome condition, but you're not alone if you or a loved one does it. Snoring, aside from being loud, can be indicative of other things going on with your body. Try using the following tips to find out what causes your snoring and how you can treat or stop it. One of the most common mistakes people make during the evening is eating a huge meal in the hours before their bedtime. If your stomach is filled to capacity with food, it will take up more space and press up against your diaphragm. This has the unfortunate effect of making it difficult to breathe as you lie on your back. Smoking causes your throat to swell, which in turn causes you to snore at night. One good way to prevent snoring is to stop smoking now. Try a smoking cessation class, over-the-counter nicotine patches or a prescription medication from your doctor. You will not only improve your health and prevent lung cancer, but you will sleep better at night. Get a mouth guard. Visiting a doctor for a prescription mouth guard is a successful method for many who suffer from a rattling snore. The mouth guard prevents your jaw muscles from relaxing too much, preventing them from slipping back. This method may be costly, but if you are a persistent snorer, it is worth a try. A fish face might get rid of snoring. These exercises build your muscles in your throat and face. Simply close your mouth and suck your cheeks in. Put your lips into a shape that a fish would. You should practice this fish mouth exercise off and on throughout the day. Discuss your snoring with your dentist. If your lower jaw slackens in your sleep, it can contribute to snoring. Your dentist can fit you with a special mouth guard to wear at night, which will hold your teeth together and keep your jaw relaxing too much. This may fix your snoring problems. If allergies or other conditions are causing congestion, you are more prone to snoring. When you are congested, your nasal passages will become constricted, blocking airflow and causing you to snore. Taking a decongestant an hour before bed can help to clear out your nose and allow you to sleep well. As stated above, snoring can be a troublesome condition that many deal with, but it could be more than just a noise you make when you sleep. To treat it, you must find out the cause. Using the tips above can help you do just that so that you can begin treating it. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.